In today's video, we are going to cover how to add a logo to Xero Invoices. Begin by opening your Xero account and going to the Settings area. From there, select Invoice Settings. This is where Xero stores the invoice layouts and branding options that control how your invoices appear when they are sent or printed. Once you are in Invoice Settings, click New Branding Theme. This creates a separate theme that you can apply to invoices rather than changing an existing one. If you already use other themes for different invoice styles, this helps keep them organized. After that, enter a name for the new branding theme. Use a name that makes sense for the logo or invoice style you plan to use, since you will choose this theme later when creating or editing invoices. The name is mainly there to help you identify the correct option in your list of themes. When the Branding Theme Editor opens, look to the left panel and expand Brand and Styling. This section contains the visual settings for the invoice, including the logo placement and other appearance options. Expanding this panel gives you access to the controls you need for the next part. Under the Logo section, click Choose Logo and select the file you want to upload. You can also drag and drop the logo file into the Upload area if that is more convenient. Xero accepts JPEG, PNG, and GIF files, so make sure your logo is saved in one of those formats before you continue. Once the file is uploaded, it should appear in the editor so you can confirm that the correct image has been selected. Next, go to Logo Position and choose where the logo should sit on the invoice. You can place it on the left, in the center, or on the right. As you change this setting, review how it affects the layout so the logo sits where you want it in relation to the invoice content. If needed, continue in the same editor to adjust the brand color and font. These options let you match the invoice styling to the rest of your business materials. On the right side of the screen, you will see the invoice preview update, which gives you a live view of how the theme will look once it is applied. Use that preview to check the logo placement, text appearance, and overall balance of the page. When everything looks correct, click Save Theme in the upper right corner. This stores the branding theme with the uploaded logo and your selected styling choices. To use it, open an invoice you are creating or editing and select your new branding theme. Once that theme is applied, the uploaded logo will appear on invoices that use it. Your Xero branding theme is now saved, and your logo will appear on invoices that use that theme.